welcome to my channel. Today I filmed this Valentine's Day look for you guys, and if you want to learn how to get this look, just please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the beige color in the palette, and I'm gonna use it as our transition shade with a big fluffy brush. Next, I'm gonna take the medium pink, and I'm just gonna pack that onto my crease and blend it away. Now I'm taking the hot pink, and the same way we packed the mauve in the crease, we're going to do the same thing with this one, just concentrate it a little bit more on the outer corner to give us a little bit more of a blown out look. Alright, here I'm going in with a tapered brush with a purple, and I'm packing that in the outer corner and really concentrating it in the lower crease and in the outer corner. Once I like how it's packed on, I'll go back with the same transition brush. It's just a fluffy brush, and just do windshield wiper motions just to start blending it into the pinks. I don't want to take it too high because I do want to keep it concentrated onto the lower crease. Now I'm going back in with that transition color we first used, and I'm going to use it to pack that on our lid. I'm going to cut the crease. So I wanted to define the crease a little bit more, so I took the deep pink that's in the palette and I placed it right above the lid and right under the purple that we put, just so that I could separate the look a little bit more. Here I was deciding if I actually wanted to do a wing liner or not. I decided to go with it and add some lashes. Alright, now that our eyes are almost done, I'm just going to wipe off the bake. I usually do not bake, but because we were using such bright colors, I decided to leave on a little bit of the translucent powder so it caught any fallout. Now I'm going in for a minute and contouring my face. It's actually funny because I'm watching a show in the background and you can see me like reacting to it a little bit. But yeah, contour your face. I'm actually using the Anastasia contour kit. Now I'm going in with a blush. I'm using a Tarte blush. I'll link it down below. And after the blush, I'm going to start highlighting. You'll see me highlight for a minute too. I'm using an Ofra highlight. I'll also link it down below. And I obviously had my foundation, eyebrows, and concealer done before I started my eyeshadow look. And now I'm just going to finish it off with everything. After I finish my highlight, I go in with my setting spray, and I mean I drown my face in setting spray, and then I just fan myself dry a little bit. Off camera, I went ahead and tight lined my waterline with black eyeshadow, and now I'm going to take the deep purple again, and with a angled brush, I'm just gonna smudge out the black liner and blend it in with the purple. After I'm done with the angled brush, I take the smudger brush and I just do the same thing and kind of blend it all in together. Once it's blended, I take that deep pink we used in the crease and I go ahead and put that in my crease. Here I'm freaking out because there's something in my contacts. Now I went ahead and started applying mascara. I did mascara on the bottom and mascara on top. For the inner quarter, I used a pretty pressed glitter that's in the palette and I just popped it on real quick. And here you see me going in with a Makeup Forever lipstick. It was just too rosy for the look, so I ended up taking it off. And I ended up putting on top the Desi and Katie over the top lip gloss. Okay, and as you guys saw in the beginning, this is the end result. I wish my hair would have looked a little bit better. I just honestly did not put any product in it after I showered, so this is it though. I hope you guys have a lovely Valentine's Day, and thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you guys want to see next, okay? Thank you.